what's up, you guys? Oh my goodness, that is some lighting right there. My desk is so sticky right now. Ew. But we're gonna ignore that today. We're gonna try the Elmers Slime Starter Kit. Now, this is not sponsored, obviously, because I'm like a really small channel, so they wouldn't do that. So it comes with 2 Elmers magical liquids, glitter glue pens. Don't really know what those are. I never had those as a kid. And Elmer's glue, clear glue. Now, they have instructions on the back. So I'm gonna move this and I'm gonna show you what it all looks like. So the box just looks like this. It has like all the instructions on the back and everything. So I took off the tape. So let's get started. So these are the solution things that make it actually work. I think this was $7. I can't open this. I think it was like $7 or $8 at my local store. So we have 2 clear glues. We have 2 magic liquid solutions. And then we have glitter glue pens. These are really cute. They're so sparkly. Look at that sparkle. Look at that shift. Oof. Alright, so get a bowl out. Get a fork or spoon out. I'm just going to use this spoon that I always use for my slime. Now, it says, pour out an entire bottle of 5-ounce Elmer's glue solution. Now it says to add one of the glitter glues now. I'm not going to do that just because I want to see what it looks like when it's clear. Okay. So it says add your choice of Elmer's glue, which are these things. I don't really want to do that, so it just says mix, so I'm just going to mix it around, try to get some of the bubbles out and everything. Alright, so mix the color evenly and then add 1 bottle. 1 bottle? That's a huge thing. Mix until it... Okay, I'm just gonna add... Ooh, that smells like paint. Okay, so we're just gonna add that much and see how that goes. It's actually working. I'm actually kind of surprised it's working, to be honest with you guys. I thought it was going to be like a flop. But it's working. I don't think you're going to need the whole bottle. Actually, you might. I lied. You might need the whole bottle. Which is kind of sad because it was pretty expensive. The whole thing was $8. It was $7.99, so about $8. Did make a mess, so don't do what I did and put it all over the table before it was ready. But in the long run, it does work. It does would do it again. I would. I have one more thing of it and everything, and it all works, but I don't think I would buy the kit just because of the way it all worked together. It took way longer